Google Analytics tag implementation is a crucial step in tracking website traffic and behavior. To get started, you need to create a Google Analytics account and set up a property for your website. This will generate a unique tracking ID that you will use to implement the Google Analytics tag. First, log into your Google Analytics account and navigate to the admin section. Click on Create Property and fill in the required information such as website name, URL, and industry category. Once you have created the property, you will be given a unique tracking ID that starts with UA. Next, you need to implement the Google Analytics tag on your website. There are several ways to do this, including using Google Tag Manager, manually adding the code to your website, or using a plugin if you are using a content management system like WordPress. If you are using Google Tag Manager, you need to create a new tag and select Google Analytics as the tag type. Then, enter your tracking ID and configure the tag settings as desired. You can also set up triggers to determine when the tag should be fired. If you are adding the code manually, you need to copy the Google Analytics tracking code and paste it into the head section of your website's HTML. Make sure to replace the tracking ID with your own unique ID. Once you have implemented the Google Analytics tag, you need to verify that it is working correctly. You can do this by checking the real-time reports in Google Analytics to see if data is being collected. You can also use the Google Tag Assistant extension to test the tag and identify any issues. Best practices for Google Analytics tag implementation include using a consistent naming convention, setting up data retention and user permissions, and regularly reviewing and updating your tracking code. It is also important to ensure that you are complying with data protection regulations such as GDPR and CCPA. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your Google Analytics tag is implemented correctly and that you are collecting accurate and reliable data. This will help you to better understand your website traffic and behavior, and make data-driven decisions to improve your online presence.